So it's a good day. It's a happy day. So we get to get the combines out. Sitting real pretty. And yes, I love the 97 70s. I don't want anything newer. There's a couple things that'd be nice, but for the most part, I'd say when you put it all together, there's it doesn't get much better than these, I think, for us. But we are going to go hook this up to the 635F and take off the wobble box because we got to do some servicing. This lucky dude gets to run combine, and I only drive truck because somebody has to do the more skilled work, so I guess they picked me. But I think Dad'll be out here soon, but I think we should just go and get the header right now, or at least hook it up, or bring it out there.
Get close at least.
Get close, yeah.
I don't know if he wants to do anything before we hook it up.
Not that I can think of.
I can never
But
I never know.
Nobody ever tells us. We just do.
We just do what they say.
Yeah. Think I can get down without falling? I don't think so either. Doing this with one hand is gonna be fun. I gotta put my phone down. Yeah, I bet it doesn't. Okay. Get that out of here. I think we can. You know how to do it, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, come on. Why do they have to bring them over here? Hook up over there.
I don't know. You tell him.
Yeah.
Don't get it in my eyes. I've heard that doesn't feel good.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Has that ever happened to you?
Yeah, it's happened one time.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, here they are. Just gonna engage the separator first, and we're gonna listen to it right quick and blow all the gunk out of it and make sure it's all good before we carry on here. So did you have to plug out the PTO?
No, probably not right now.
Alright.
Maybe a little bit. We'll ask
What?
You'll ask the
Yep. Plug it up. I'm gonna turn it on. I was supposed to look at this side of the header over
It's
here.
going to be definitely. It's kind of loud.
You got it. Need me to get it for you? No, you got it. It should be all good. Let's check out the. Are you gonna go fire it up now? Yeah. Fire it up. Okay.
Kick it in. Kick it in and on. Kick it in and on.
So just like we expected there was going to be, the shaker box does have a little bit of chatter to it that we weren't really hoping for. So I'm going to go get a couple things moved out of the way of the shop just so it's kind of cleaned up around there. We're going to pull that up to the shop, take the chain off, fire it up again, and make sure that it's not the sickle or anything, kind of process of elimination type of deal. And from there we'll trace it down, tighten up, or replace whatever it needs, and that part of harvest prep will be done. But right now we're gonna go get a couple of things moved, so let's get to that. All right, we are all parked and it's starting to rain, so we'll see how long this lasts. From the clouds, it's gonna be a little while, but it's just kind of just at that little sweet spot where it's not enough to really justify going inside, but it's also enough that it's not very comfortable hanging out around here. So yeah, we'll see. But I'm gonna put my phone away because I don't want to get wet. I got stuff to do. You guys want to raise this up and I can take a look and see if that other one's loose? Nope, that's all good.
Looks like that bolt's showed though.
No, it's the same as the rest of them. That one on the end is.
Yeah, it probably needs to be because if it doesn't, we'll probably drum on something.
But that right there
That doesn't even all the way.
is what was loose. That shouldn't shake now. It's. I checked it. It's tight.
Looks like that was drumming on.
It's not going to go anywhere. Think that might be part of it?
Yeah, I'm just checking anything that. That's just a little belt part.
So any luck with it, or
I don't think that's the problem.
it's got to be something with the chain?
No, I think it's in here. This not being tight.
Oh boy.
There's something. I don't think it's a big deal.
Do you think we just have to tighten that up and
Let's take it off,
Okay.
and we'll just inspect the bearing in behind it, make sure everything's in good shape.
Yeah.
So,
All right, I'll grab some pliers then, and we'll get to work on it. Just get that cotter pin out first.
yep.
Too big. Or will it work?
Now I'm gonna try to find one that fits. I don't have a 36.
Yeah. Well, and there's nothing on the back of that we have to hold, is there? Okay. Because I know that there's those little access doors on it, and I didn't know if that might have been what it was for. But I've got the pin and stuff, but we're not going to need that till the end of it, so. Try that. Good. Wow, let's see if. Oh, it's way too big. Still too big.
Jacob, John Deere's metric.
That's what he handed me.
Dad, I thought John Deere was all metric.
It is.
Do we have any metric bigs? Oh. Which one's that? Bar? I don't have a bar.
When you're lifting.
Oh, like the Olympic bar.
Yeah.
It's not a bad idea.
Flick. 30 foot.
So is the bearings in here, right? That we need to check
No,
out?
this is just a slip clutch
Oh.
and the drive clutch.
So is there anything in over there that we need to look at still?
Look at the bearing in there.
I'm gonna go take a peek. I don't know if I've got enough muscle to me to really get as much play out of that the PTO can. But I said, I don't know if I've got enough muscle to get the play out of that the PTO can, if the bearing is bad. Yeah. Let's see here. Well, I'm no expert, but that doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it.
It doesn't chatter anymore. Was that off? No, it's when you put all that power to it, it's just the inertia trying to get it started. But
That nut doesn't even tighten.
it wasn't just completely loose.
It was.
Yeah, but whatever that is, it doesn't tighten up.
All right, so after trying our best to take that flip clutch apart, we found out that we're not going to be able to get it apart, and I don't think that they even sell individual parts for the inside of it. So we're just going to go get a new one. I looked on John Deere and it's 900 some bucks, so not as much as we thought. And then we get a new one of those, slap it in there, and that part of the header should be good. We're hoping that'll fix the channel. And in a couple weeks, we're probably going to be harvesting, which will be a lot of fun. We'll be able to put out some more interesting content other than me just driving a semi back and forth to town. So yeah, thanks for watching. A little bit of a short video today, but figured it would be a nice change of pace for anybody who kind of follows my channel. So yeah, happy 4th of July everyone also, and I will see you guys probably on Friday. So see ya.